The man who has planted a garden feels that he has done something for the good of the world. India's diversity and people-centric approach has helped in coordinating and sustaining the production and processing of fruits and vegetables in the country. The continued efforts of the central government has improved the integrated development of the horticulture industry to generate abundant avenues of capital for the welfare of the people. To ensure holistic growth of horticulture, recently, Union Minister Narendra Singh Tomar virtually launched the Horticulture Cluster Development Program. The program intends to grow and develop identified horticulture clusters so that they can be globally competitive. During the launch event, Union Minister Narendra Singh Tomar informed doubling farmers' income is one of the biggest priorities of the government. He also mentioned that horticulture cluster development will benefit about 10 lakh farmers and related stakeholders of the value chain. Let's get to know more about this resourceful initiative. Horticulture Cluster Development is a central sector program implemented by the National Horticulture Board of the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare. A total of 53 clusters have been selected for the program, and in the initial phase, the program will be implemented in 12 horticulture clusters. The program is expected to address all major issues related to the Indian horticulture sector. These include subjects of pre-production, production, post-harvest management, logistics, marketing and branding. The program is designed to leverage geographical specialization and promote integrated and market-led development of horticulture clusters. It aims to improve exports of the targeted crops by approximately 20% and create cluster-specific brands to enhance the competitiveness of cluster crops. It is also expected to attract an estimated investment of Rs 10,000 crore when implemented in all the 53 clusters. The Cluster Development Program has a huge potential to build last-mile connectivity with the use of multimodal transport for the efficient and timely evacuation and transport of horticulture produce. The clusters of the pilot phase include Shopia and Kinnaur for apple, Lucknow, Kutch and Mehboob for mango, Anandpur and Theni for banana, Nasik for grapes, Sipahijala for pineapple, Solapur and Chitradurg for pomegranate and West Jayanta Hills for turmeric. These clusters will be implemented through cluster development agencies, which are appointed on the recommendations of the state and union territories. The program can also converge with other initiatives of the government, such as the Agricultural Infrastructure Fund. Let's get to know more about it. Agricultural Infrastructure Fund is a medium long-term financing facility that enables investment in projects for post-harvest management infrastructure and community farming assets. It also leverages the central sector scheme of the Ministry for Formation and Promotion of 10,000 farmers' produce organizations. Minister of State Purushottam Rupla also apprised the need to develop clusters throughout the country that will help the farmers with the small size of land holdings through the formation of FPOs. Department of Agriculture Secretary Sanjay Agarwal has also announced the appointment of cluster development agencies in the selected clusters. The framework of this program will ensure an astute engagement of state governments through cluster development agencies and institutionalization of learnings for future replication of the program in other clusters. The program will not only help in achieving economies of scale, but also create cluster-specific brands to entrench them into national and global value chains, thus bringing higher remuneration to the farmers. Several measures have been undertaken by the central government to support and boost the income of farmers in the country. A slew of schemes have been successfully implemented to aid the livelihood of nation's Annadata. As we know, farming is not only about growing crops, but the cultivation and perfection of human beings. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.